A very beautiful statement given by someone. Diamonds don't shine, they sparkle, meaning they reflect light from another light source. Shine on like sun, you star. Welcome to Sparkle Solution, a leading institute for JEE NEET who runs with a tagline begin with spark and end with fire. Because every revolution begin with spark, my dear friend. Sparkle Solution was started in the year 2007 with an aim to focus quality coaching, excellent student support system in an ideal competitive and academic ambience. Our vision is to help aspirants to make their dream come true in the field of engineering and medical sector through high quality teaching and commitment. Sparkle Solution was founded by Mr. Karunesh Kumar with a noble idea to provide knowledge to engineering and medical aspirants. Being a teacher and a mentor is the well-known personality in education industry across central India. Our mission is to prepare students with passion and teach them with determination. With proper guidance and teaching from top faculties, no wonder Sparkle is giving excellent results in various national and state level engineering and medical examinations across central India. The courses we offered are 11th plus 12th JEE, 11th 12th with NEET, 11th 12th plus board, and 9th and 10th with foundation program. All the courses are synchronized with 11th and 12th college study, my dear students. Dear students, change will not come if we wait for some other person or some other time. We are the ones we have been waiting for. We are the change that we seek. The best example set by Tejas Patil with All India rank 467. Congratulations to the whole team of Sparkle and to Pratik Phule by All India rank 799 and Gaurav Borkar with All India rank 1515 who has placed in IIT Bhilai. It is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very hard to win someone. By defeating all, these are the students who had overcome and shown best results into IITs. These are the students who have aimed high and got selected in different NIT colleges, and students were also placed in medical stream as government medical colleges and also in AIMS Raipur, KEM Mumbai, MBBS in IGMC and MBBS in GMC. Our team, a fountain of knowledge. Karunesh Kumar, founder and mentor Sparkle Solution, is renowned name in mathematics and a mentor guiding thousands of students for their career. His qualification includes MCA, MBA, PGDIT from IIT Kharagpur and Doctorate in Literature in Education awarded by California University. He has published books on various entrance examinations in mathematics subject which are very popular among engineering aspirants. He has created more than 500 plus IITians and NITians since last 15 years. He has been a guide and mentor for students since 2 decades. A very beautiful statement given by someone. Diamonds don't shine, they sparkle, meaning they reflect light from another light source. Shine on like sun, you star. Welcome to Sparkle Solution, a leading institute for JEE NEET who runs with a tagline begin with spark. Sudhanshu Shekhar, Faculty of Computer Science, having 5 years of teaching experience. Roshni Singh, Senior Faculty of Biology, having 7 years of teaching experience. Ankita Chandel, Faculty of Biology, having 3 years of teaching experience. By looking towards present scenario due to COVID-19, which is an outbreak moving quickly, some great and immense steps have been taken by our institute to teach students online. That's why we all are here present today. Our online batches are starting from 7th May. You can contact us at our centers Sparkle Solution 268 Central Bazaar Road, Kachipura Square, Ramdas Pet, Nagpur, or another center is plot number 9 near Renuka Mata Mandir, Hingna Road, Nagpur. You can also call us on 844-6455-305 or 9860140001. You can also follow us on our Facebook page www.facebook.com/sparkle in Nagpur or Sparkle Solution, which is an Instagram page. Always remember, students, there's more than one way to see. One way to see is with your eyes, the other way is to see with your mind. So cheer up, imagine your career with Sparkle Solutions, and all the best for your SSC results. Thank you very much.